Hello, farmers. How accessible and reliable is your data when life happens? We call it bye-bye data moments, like when you're just about to pay your workers and suddenly there's a power outage. Still using paper trails? Well, it's more like a paper mountain, isn't it? Good luck finding last month's post-harvest data underneath all of that. And what happens when the network crashes at the worst possible moment?
Oops.
Then there's the financial manager. She's had enough of missing data, and who can blame her? So farmers, how prepared are you for all the oopsies life throws at you? Farm Costing Solutions is here to help. Introducing Farm Costing Solutions' latest development, FCS Anywhere. With FCS Anywhere, you're equipped with the convenience of cloud-based access and the reassurance of our off-site backups, while you retain full control of your data security. As a farmer, your success relies on making informed decisions. Our cutting-edge cloud-enabled software platform is designed to make farm management easier and more accessible than ever. With FCS Anywhere, you will be able to access real-time data from any device, whether it be a phone, tablet, or computer. This means that managers can view reports on the go, and team leaders can monitor progress seamlessly no matter where they are, reducing the need for printing reports. We offer both a full cloud version with hosted servers such as AWS, Azure, or your own company server, or a local installation on your PC or company server. We particularly recommend the local installation to overcome potential internet and cell phone network problems. Our FCS software is also a powerful tool for pre- and post-harvest data, allowing for uninterrupted management and processing of time and attendance, piecework or productivity management, and job costing in real time. The Wage PC can still download the readers when docked for charging overnight, and wages can be processed. With real-time data at your fingertips and seamless farm management on any device, you can focus on what truly matters, growing the productivity and saving money on your farm. So, what are you waiting for? No matter where you are, no matter what you farm with, why settle for stress when you can have FCS? FCS Anywhere keeps your data at your fingertips. Now, wouldn't that make you smile today? Contact us for more information.